Welcome to your very own pot of gold right here in Blackstone. Check it out. Number 26 Mary Street. This circa 1930s workers' cottage with a bit of TLC has loads of potential. Whether you're an investor looking to renovate or if you're just trying to get into the property market, this home could be the one for you. Sitting on a 546 square metre fully fenced block, this property, as it currently stands, has a potential rental yield of over 6%. So there we have it, number 26 Mary Street in Blackstone. Hope to see you at the open house. If by chance you can't make it, feel free to give me a call. Thank you.